Hey guys, a big part of adulting is getting prepared for different things. Well, today I am actually leaving to start our Christmas vacation with family, and since I had to pack anyway, I thought it would be a great idea to give you guys some tips and hacks for all of your upcoming trips. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Tip number 1, have a packing list. The worst thing in the world is to get to your destination and realize that you have forgotten something super important like your toothbrush. The best way to make sure that you have not forgotten anything is to add your packing list to your suitcase. I keep a master list in my bullet journal, and my bullet journal goes everywhere with me, and it is in my purse as my carry-on whenever I travel. Tip number 2 is to fold things vertically. This will save you so much packing space and it will make things so much neater. As you can see, I've been able to fold 11 blouses to my suitcase to one row vertically. The great thing about this is that you won't have anything falling out of your suitcase or be a mess when you're looking for one particular item. Tip number 3 is to put your shoes in shower caps or grocery bags in order to make sure that they won't mess up any of your other items. The bottom of shoes can be extremely dirty, so I like to put my shoes in bags to make sure that they don't mess up anything else in my suitcase. Tip number 4 is to plan out your outfits before your trip. It will save you so much packing space if you know exactly what you are wearing each day and if you plan for those particular items accordingly. Tip number 5 is to organize in pouches. I have smaller pouches for everything. One for toiletries, one for my makeup, one for jewelry, one for tech. And this makes packing my items so much easier, and it's way easier to find everything once I arrive. Tip number 6 is to save all the smaller items that you have received throughout the year for upcoming trips. So anytime I go to the dentist for my 6-month checkup, he always gives me small amounts of toothpaste. I save those every time that I go in order to keep them for upcoming trips. You can also move lotion or other bigger items into smaller containers, and that will save you a lot of space also. Tip number 7 is to bring grocery bags with you to separate clothing after you have worn them. A lot of times after I've worn an outfit, I now want to keep it separate from the things that are clean in my suitcase. I will put those items in a grocery bag and then keep them separate in my suitcase. It is the best way to keep everything together and separate all at the same time. Well guys, that's it for my suitcase. And now I'm going to give you a quick look into my children's suitcase, the one that I packed for them. It is not packed vertically because I had a lot of bulky stuff for them, but I do have a list in their suitcase telling me everything that is already packed and what needs to be packed. And I have outfits listed out for them also. So, do you guys have any packing tips or anything that you do to get ready for trips? Make sure that you leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you do. I would love to hear your tips and hacks. Until next time, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.